in Liguria from Vallecrosia, vero?
Sì.
To Imperia. And in total there and back it's going to be about 70 kilometers. So yeah, today we are biking all day and stopping and beaches and shit and then eating later. We're basically following this for like a very long time. But it's very pretty, right next to the ocean. It's nice. That's it.
We made it.
We made it.
We made it to Imperia.
Now we have snacks. Wow.
Which side do you want? I think
Questa. Thank you. We've chilled at Imperia Beach for a bit. For like how long?
it's called Spiaggia d'Oro.
Spiaggia d'Oro.
For I think 1 hour and a half, more or less.
Yeah, so we had some snacks and some drinks and stuff, and now we're gonna start cycling back. So it's another 35 kilometers back, so that we have time to get back and like shower before we have to go out for dinner, because it's gonna be gross. But yeah, we're gonna head back now. You ready? Let's go. Halfway.
Halfway?
Halfway back.
Ah, yes.
Halfway back. Coffee break.
Now we're in Vallecrosia, so
We're back.
we're back.
Yeah, 70 kilometers later.
It's just in front of my house.
Yeah, this is where Manu lives. It's ridiculous. So this morning we have come to a place right on the border of France. If you look over there somewhere, I can't actually see what I'm filming, but that's France. Over there That's Manu, that's not France. That's France. So we're right on the border. It's a place called Vallecrosia. And the water looks very nice. So we're gonna stay here this morning, and then afterwards we're gonna go to Menton, which is the kind of first town you can see. Menton.
Or in Italian we call it Mentone.
In English we call it Menton. It's like the first town you can see over the coast. And then this evening, Manu's dad has a restaurant there, and it's like a creperie.
Yes, like for savory and sweet crepes.
Yeah. So
they call them galettes.
yeah, I've never had a savory one. I don't think. Sweet ones are a thing in England, but I don't think the savory ones are a thing. Bye. Where are we?
We are at a creperie called Le Fleur de Sal.
Why is it special?
Because it's my dad's creperie.
It's his dad's restaurant. And we have cider. Apparently crepes and cider is a thing. So we have this. And
that's traditionally drunk in cups.
Yeah, I never saw that before. It's strange, right? So we have cups of cider. Cheers. And try it. Good, right?
I love it.
Yeah. This is very good. Whatever this one is. Cidra di Normandie. Very nice. Yeah, we're in Menton, which is where Manu's dad's restaurant is. And we're in a cute little side street, if you can see. Yeah. It's very strange because Manu's dad is obviously Manu's dad, but he's also like the waiter.
And also the chef.
And also the chef. Like, so it's really weird like ordering from him knowing that it's like just Manu's dad.